Hi, thanks for watching this video. This is Tim. Tim is a mobile mechanic, and he's a pretty good one at that. Tim's pretty busy going from call to call. Tim would really like to get more calls so he can add another mechanic and build his company. So Tim got a website. He started posting on Facebook. He even tried pay-per-click ads, and whoa, was that expensive. And it was taking up all his time when he wasn't on calls. So Tim was frustrated. Of course, he had newspaper ads. He even had a yellow page ad. It was costing too much, and Tim wasn't growing his business with new customers. That's when Tim got our email, just like you probably got, and wanted to know more about our services. See, our job is we get you new clients calling your business. We're not out fixing cars. We're right here on the internet, making sure we get you in front of the people who are looking for your services. We focus on you to get your phones ringing with potential new clients so we can focus on what you do best. And so will we, delivering you quality and affordable leads that can get you new clients. We're so sure you'll like our service. Give us a call and mention this video and we'll provide you some free leads to try and see the results for yourself. Give us a call to get started today or visit our website